Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness, a Lifestyle. And today I'm going to be doing another liquid lipstick review because I have really been on a hunt for a good liquid lipstick from a long time. I would say from last 2 years, from the time I started using the liquid lipstick. My first one was the Stila liquid lipstick that I had used, and I had really fallen in love with like liquid lipsticks. So from that time I've been like on kind of an hunt, like really to find a good liquid lipstick. So today I'm going to do a better job. I know I have uploaded some reviews and I don't think I covered all the points in it, and I was kind of disappointed with myself that I didn't really cover all the points in the review, because I think in my mind I feel like you guys already know about this because I'm too late to this liquid lipstick trend, but I don't think I should think about that in my mind. I should just do the review per my give my opinion and my points. That way it'll help you guys also. So the first today the one I'm going to be doing is I went to Ulta and I got some things which I think I will do a different haul, Ulta haul, but today I'm just going to show you one that I got that I want to review. That is the Nars Narsissist, oh my god, Narsissist Wanted Powerpack Lip Kit. So I got this one. I love Nars brand for its foundation. I've tried its foundation. I love the foundation. Like I've tried the sample. I've really not bought the foundation, and maybe the next foundation that if I get it will be Nars. So I have always eyed the Nars stuff, but like the Nars Cruella lip liner, I really want it, but I don't like to spend like I think it's $24 for the lip pencil, and so I'm just waiting for it to come in a mini with some other pack or something that I like so that I can buy it, because right now the colors that it has the duos in, I don't like that other color, so that's going to be a waste even if I buy it. So I'm just waiting to buy that on some other time. But this one I got it because that if you are a platinum member at Ulta, then you will get like this 20% on prestige brands. So I think to try this, and I thought, okay, let me use my 20%, and I went and got this just the other day. So let me show you how it looks inside. So this is like how the pack looks, and I got the hot reds, the red pack, and because I'm not really a nude person, I'm still learning how to really have the nude lip on, and so I think for the look I have today, a nude lip will go very good because I don't have anything on my lips today, and my hair is all oily, so I just like tied it up. But I really wanted to do this today, and I've done real nice today. I was really wanting to do some colorful eye, so I did something. I followed Wayne Goss method of the putting the eyeshadow, and it looks a little bit lifted. At least I'm feeling it looks a little bit lifted, my eye part. So I actually liked what I did with my eyes today. So anyway, so this one, it comes with these two duos, which is, one is the Cherry Bomb and the other is Don't Stop. So Don't Stop and Cherry Bomb, they pretty much look alike here, but this is Cherry Bomb. I like the packaging, it's so cute. And then this is Don't Stop. So Don't Stop is like a typical red color. I don't know if it shows a little bit orange, I think, on when I put it on. And then the Cherry Bomb is kind of like that pinky red. So I don't think this is not available individually. I didn't see Cherry Bomb on there, or maybe it is available, but in the full pack. But I didn't see any swatches available on YouTube for this, because I was searching so much to see, but I never saw anything for Cherry Bomb. So let me show you first my lip condition. I am really not liking this that much, but I tried this from morning. I had it on for like, I think almost just 2 hours or something. And look at my lips. See that red there? It's all the stain from that lipstick. And I had the cherry bomb on and it stained my lip completely. It looks like, oh my god, see that? I could not take that off at all. Her line here, and my whole lips are also stained. I do like the stain when I remove some liquid lipsticks. You know, you always get that stain. I like that stain. It looks like very nice the next day morning when you wash and you still have that stain. But I didn't like this because this kind of is going to, see that? That's going to just rip off my skin later. So anyway, so today I have a whole list that I've written here so that I'm going to make sure I cover all my points. So let's the cherry bomb on first. And you have to really, first I'm going to cover how the applicator looks. So you have to be very careful when you're opening this, because if you see, I have made a stain on the cover somewhere. Was it the cherry bomb or the other one? Is this Don't Stop? Yeah, I think on the Don't Stop. When I tried to open it like that, it just went like all over here because I was trying to be careful, but then I went like that. So you have to be really careful with this. So the consistency is very liquidy, like ink, you know, kind of like ink. So that's how cherry bomb looks. And one dip is a lot, and it will cover. It's very thin consistency. The consistency is very thin. So let me try it on. You really don't need a lip liner. With just that slight, just, you know, one layer just covers everything though. So that is good, but I will tell you the buts right now. And the color also looks nice. So there you go. And one thing is, like, you know, you see the tip, how pointed it is. So I loved the way I can actually go over my lip, and I don't even need like a lip liner. You can just keep this in your purse and just apply it, and no lip liner needed. And it is drying right now. Now let me get to the other points. Now let me show you close up. This is cherry bomb. Now let me tell you about, it is drying right now, and I'm going to let it dry a little bit. And let me talk about matte. It does look matte and it dries matte, but I felt like when I tried it on, for me, okay, it transfers a little bit. Like after some time when I saw I had like lipstick here a little bit, here a little bit. So with a red lip, I don't like that, because that's very scary to me. Like, you're in a party, you're not looking at the mirror all the time when you're outside. So if something goes up here, like, you will not really know. So that's one thing. So transfer, it does transfer here and there sometimes. I don't know, maybe you just you touch here and touch here. You know, I touch my face all the time. So I don't like the fact that if slightly touches here, then it goes somewhere, then, you know, and it just stains that part. So it's like it'll be hard to take it off. So that's the second point. Third is the bleeding. There's no bleeding though. I don't see it like bleed underneath here or anywhere. It sits really good. And then the consistency and applicator I already covered. It's like very liquidy, and the applicator you saw, it's very thin. I like the applicator though. For that consistency, yeah, the applicator is good, and you can apply really good. I really love this color. It's so beautiful. And then smell, actually there's no smell to it. I didn't really smell anything. It has slight like the chemical smell, but when you put it on the lip, you don't feel it. And the comfort. Now I can, after a little bit time, I can actually feel it on the lip. So I feel like it doesn't look dry though. It's actually covering my lines really good, but it feels dry. Like, to me, I feel like after a while, after like 30 minutes or so, like I felt like, oh, I want to put a lip balm on my lip. So that's how I felt, little bit drying. So that's one thing, like the feeling of the dryness I don't like. And then the lasting power, it lasts for some time, but for like few hours, at least the 2-3 hours I wore in the morning, it was looking good. But after like that, it crosses that 2 hours or something, I saw that it looked a little faded all over, because when I put one thin layer, right, like right now. So I felt that, so I went and reapplied a little bit more, because I felt like it looked a little bit dull. So I reapplied a little bit more. So for that reason, I would think if I have to look a little bit, if it has to dull down a little bit anyway, then why don't I just get the Sephora lip stains, right? Because the price for this individually, I think it is 21 to 24. See, again, I didn't look at that. I don't have my phone here to look, but it's between 21 to $24. I think it is, yeah, it's probably $21. I got this, the duo is $22. So $22, and I got like 20% off that. So I think I got like 19 something for this one. So basically I paid $10 for each. But because of that feeling on my lip and the dullness that it gives after some time, I would rather just have my Sephora lip stain, like always red. I would just, like that formula better. So that is another point about that. And then reapplying, you can reapply and no issues. And I don't see the cracking, the crumbling. I don't see all that with this, because it's such a thin consistency that you don't see all that. So that is one. Then reapplying, you can reapply. And then the hole, the hole, like the thing that it gives here after you start drinking or eating, that one, I see it slightly, because in the morning I just had my breakfast and tea and water, and it was transferring everywhere though. It was transferring on my cup here, like, it transferred everywhere on my cup. So it does transfer whenever you're drinking something or eating something. It will transfer, even if it is not oily, just water and stuff, it's going to transfer on that. So maybe that's why after some time it dulls down a little bit, because the that one layer that you put on it, it's kind of gone after some time. So the whole, it's called something, I know all the YouTubers call that, there's a word for it. I don't want to say that word, so I'm going to call it the ring hole. I don't like that when it forms that inside. I don't like that. But since this is so thin consistency, it's fine. It's manageable. It doesn't look that bad when it goes off there. It doesn't look that bad at all. Not like the other one. I'm going to do another review after this on the Tartist paints. Please watch that too. So that is another thing. So based on all the points that I've told you guys, if you don't mind feeling the dryness on the lip, then this would be okay for you guys to use. So it's not that bad, but if you want to really try it, I would think that instead of paying like that $24 or $21 to $24, somewhere in between it is, that much, and buying one full size, get the duo. And if you are platinum, you can use your 20%, get the duo. And they even have nudes. So on Ulta, they actually have 3 selections. This one, and they have warm nudes, and they have cool nudes. So I don't know, maybe I should try the nudes better than this red. Because with the reds, the only issue I'm seeing is that transferring. I don't like that. So all in all, it's okay to me. So I would only give it like a 6 or 7. That's it, out of 10. Out of the 10 points I've written here, because of that dryness, the transferring. With a dark lip, I would not want that. So those are the only 2 points. And I may have to wear it like whole day and see how it wears. But now for the 2-3 hours that I've worn it for the last 2 days and tried it, it's okay. It's not too bad. Now, let me try the other one. Let me take this off. Oh wait, let me show the transfer, okay? So you can see that it'll transfer. It's already been like 17 minutes now, right, that I applied. So look at that, it transfers. So see that? Yeah. So it's not transfer proof. So this is Don't Stop. I actually love this color. I love both colors though. Beautiful color. It's a typical red actually. It's more like the Sephora's Always Red. Yeah, it's more like that. The red for you, I like this more than the other one. Because this, you see my upper lip and all, how nicely, just with one swatch also, it just covered the whole upper lip very well. Or maybe because my lips, you couldn't see my pigmentation. Anyway, my pigmented lips were not seen because of the previous color stain. So maybe that's why, but it's looking much brighter and nice. But this is a beautiful color, and that is Don't Stop. I'm really trying to do this video good for you guys, like the way other YouTubers do, and trying to cover everything. So that is Don't Stop. So that's it, guys. Hope you liked my review. So for me, it's kind of 50-50. I probably have to try it for some more time and see, because I love the color and the way the consistency is, the applicator is, all that I will give the points to it. But the dryness that I feel on my lip is 1 point, and the transferring of it, like, here and there, I see that is to me very scary, especially with a red lip. So maybe with the nude lips you can get away with it, the nude colors, lighter colors, but with the red lip you don't want that to happen. So that's why, that's one thing. And then what else that I didn't really like? I think that's it, those two. And you can decide yourself whether you want to buy it or not. But the best way to try it, I would think, would be this way, to get these. And that's it, guys, for this. So now I'm going to be doing another video too. Please watch that liquid lipstick video too. Thank you, guys. Bye. See you all in my next video. Bye.